we don't just yanko be afie ni akwachichire ne so omra. We look at people who matters, and wanna oba studio yetiefo binya an impact our all discussions. I think that a bread is having you in my studio, you deserve it, and we need to look at many things. Memo akwa ba okwanso nkoso kra.
Kofi mi da CP.
Good. Just ahoden wo ho.
Oh, Kofi sa o hwese de mi
said the way say I fit dia. Ya da nyamiase.
Ahoden wo pa ntina.
Yes.
Me request sa anwumu yi.
To God be the glory. And can we be so? Why to God be the glory?
Kofi di kama me nchia watiefo. Me mfa enchia kese. Emma watukwakoso.
Okay.
Ise ncheri bia ena watukwakoso edi
the birthday.
Mfie Edioso.
Enough from.
Uhwemu a Bible mu no nyame ema nipa bia mfie edioso. Nanso enam atorenchem ni ma tutu yenti ya na bi ho no a yenu ho no. Na se nyankopon eye wadom na se wokwa kodru sa mfie edioso no.
Sure.
Po minim se odi bi ebesa aka no ho a.
Yeah.
Na chese nyame aye bia maye.
Eda nyame ase.
Kofi sebe bedu asa ohiri bia nyame na yi no.
Okay.
Nyame ene yi hene. Na otumfo de sebe bedu ne niema wo ye no chese. Ampa ne ampa nyame ene yi no ma Asante mai.
Sure.
If you Kofi so hwe said ye osi efa na mamuo a Oba and wasisa chieftaincy institution no.
Of course.
Amana ba yakono.
Of course.
Kane no radio so beti sebe ohini bia koye we. Eso ohini bia koye sei. Ohini bia koton sase, obi bia koye sei. Otumfo ba ya no wadi na si from no say hwe. Enough is enough.
Yeah.
Also ohini bia put up a very good character, positive character. Say the bear the man for so bitimi ahwe so e dey bibi. Wode futu ma ne him for no so no. Gis omodi so pa.
Sure.
Sisi amenu ka say ohini bia
ehwe no husu ye.
Ehwe no husu ye.
Onim se wan hwe na anya de obe esa. Mra bedino. Na
no na etimi ama mpuntuo akoso. Enya santima mu hanko a. Almost Ghana any ewiase afana nyina bi say otumfo enye king of Ashanti alone.
Yeah.
Me de me bitumi akasa we king of the world because sentisa
and can you
we an 8 minute and say say an eminent chief, an eminent king, ombrana omituefo.
Lecture on peace and culture.
Sanity.
That's such a wonderful forum.
Enti otu for the say kana semo amenia achese ade ebechi waye bi.
Yes.
Na nyame na me se no se. Onkoso anu ntu ne nkwam. Na de nyame ade asidi so se onye emfa mo nipa dasani no.
Okay.
Onkoso enye se de be nipa dasani asetrem be koso asesa. Ama
that is to God be the glory. Of course, God deserves the glory and power. But the entire minim say, oh yeah, is it organist or pianist?
What can you?
Do you have Oba say yes? Oh, to change senku mame.
My boss, I knew that
I'm always streaming live with Facebook. Yes. What way Facebook page? Sure.
So 2-4 enya infie edioson. The chese nyame nso ye den nyame tiase
etiase Dr. Samuel Sarpong me person for ehwe said you be si abo ade no amzavo mon ko Facebook page Nhyira 104.5 FM. Wow, the odibetria na no wabo ne sanku na wahwe na o onwuma be request. Wow. God, indeed, to him be the glory. Nyametiase.
Sanity.
Now, on my entire DNA. And pay Dr. Sarpong is in the seat. What is or then year attend to bed channel noa who na since when I was here Sadibo.
Oh, Kofi me call West College.
Oh, okay.
Na one me call first, no. All my subjects.
Okay.
Then music. One of my minor subjects.
Oh, I see.
Now, as your minor subject, I was told to me. A boy instrument.
Oh, okay.
At least.
I see.
And I chose the mouth organ.
Oh, I see.
Yes.
The mouth organ. Just what about you? Because many occasions I'm on the bet Ibiano.
Yeah, go for my butcher. Na me kakra betumi aka ne say music is the food for the soul.
For the soul. Wow.
I
see.
Kofi me no tia sisi say mouth organ say me de ko ewura no boa besa 1 hour. Do be hu ya ne say wo obeba no beta me nchen.
Wow.
No tie. It shows how powerful
music
is. This same music and so and uhwemu a abofo nyame abofo o ze tembia na babu mo ya say abofo no eto nwumi de sanity. And now we babu mo so a ohini bi trance na so ohini de san hodo no a
yeah. And his soul is troubled. So, not David Abba, no Abosenku, no Adjuno.
Abosenku, you have a bosom water. It's you shall, and you know, Chese, and yet I won't deal with it.
Very interesting. And people like you are Mutimi Ebosadi. It's
you also, and you may share something about those I was in good.
Oh, yes, it was such a great one.
I know, Chese, I hope about 4 bars, see, be tear, you know. It didn't matter. I was in good sort of
glory. Glory. I'm for over to me okay Facebook page Nhyira 104.5 FM and in the seat with us the former Ashanti regional minister, former mayor, former SOFO regional director, former central regional minister and former director for state housing Dr. Sarpong and Edin Komo. And for the rest of the hours seeing Nagozi and Onkron everybody will have him in the studio. Questions between the Facebook page Nhyira 104.5 FM. Bibia Opes Obisano, he will be here now waiting me abua discuss my happy belated birthday in Koma Alaji Samson Ado. We are the chief engineer Ewufia. Alaji Anopei, happy belated birthday to you. Anita Kumanso of Love FM. Anita, happy belated birthday to you. And Obia will celebrate your birthday. Happy birthday to all the team members. That nyame adma wachina yema ameno so edakese inti mamunyina happy Mother's Day, of course, in advance, especially the frontliners and mashamochi yenuanum nurse for mashamochi ukoye juma muba to feed them and everybody yema ameno munyina more frontliners ninanum. Happy birthday to you all and happy Mother's Day to you all. Who do birthday, happy birthday, your birthday, and so happy Mother's Day to you all. Dr. Sarpong, Doc, and the interview is a very relaxed one.
Yes.
COVID inti ya na yen sheda nye radical interview.
Sanity.
Ya betu ya boss ni edidi ya hunkomo ye hu wache. And ya be assessing many things. Ye be inti komono any format.
Sanity.
Ya de be fa baby ya.
Sanity.
Etiefo also would want to ask you questions.
Yeah.
Enti eno so ebiti omo de kakra. Na enyama akose ye mu bi de ya ye dun komo a telephone so sending messages to me the so how has it been almost 4 years near NDC move free power
Kofimida sepi de metu ya kan se nyame ani bi adini ye
yeah
na ansa na mekoso kasa no o se mekoso no Garrison
okay.
Garrison Methodist
Presby yeah
na unfortunately anopay no one of our members we chorister
okay
nyame ato ne safre no
too bad
anopay ne na atompam ye fe no sister akuafiye
wow
di ne no and I'm mobile park call Akopano Crabre. Me first fidie so na me I'm a garrison penny especially any also for major na be fidie major but one way so for on major boahin one day so for what we do anymore I some edema no that Kakopene Crabre. No one yakko. No one bompire say Yankupon and ye in Adum. Said the bear or the new barn, ABC and a cuckoo. A cusimra or no abetunsa at their free. Coffee, Kakramiti can say it's been very, very relaxed. Also, Coffee. Before say NDC, it be free akonya so no. Me am ko gina as parliamentary
candidate there. I will share so. Yeah. Na
nim say politics trouble na aye so rough.
Wow.
If you say ya na ko say politics here unya also uboni yem said the bear who benya upper hand na so hwe some bedu asa obra ma bo efiti say me kofi me no ka say bedi fie be say adusia miensa
go me Nhyira
yes
kaka kredon so we do say
me ko be 70 now we say be obra ma boy na say out of politics inti me say me be gina Nhyira so am ya toba ma me ko parliament na me so metumi aboa Nhyira so fo a na obi a wono so no enima fa etimi kotra radio so 7 pedia sa esopa na aya arehusem pepe bidu obi kwa no bia mabusuafo ka chem se be ya minyai na atenia no edoso
wow
fi say I mean womo they cherish me,
of course.
It is will be our table we so one day one cherish me. Oh, so me mitra. There's also be ya nanka medi be party
in so him.
Ti ko so the questions why moons and some I feel do maybe let me name say whether it was even out of pressure. Now I feel the yare bi ni ade e ba me so
really
wo hye na wo sugar cost through
wow
any ade oh yes to understand say maybe kwa dream koda hospital cry
wow contesting parliamentary candidates
oh, yes it wasn't so easy
that's how we are politics not ache and now first time I contested
sanity me here politics ache
so why will MPship this pressure na bebro
hey
because when you allow politics and you know the game
in politics just why do so go gina as parliamentary candidate obia na deswa ndi bibia ba bugutire so
oh I see
say wo na yema fama no he say when you say ukwa ye MP a adodode omu a wo do abusuafo e de bedi nti say a wo kɔ no de say we pia mo akwa e wo say ye so de wo say nya fi obia ne
now so when you have better positions and not responsibility in the crowd does to change MPO no mayor everybody was on you
sanity
no bia or
sanity and also na nyasem keto akra and also na nyasem keto bet nyame ya adom
and correct me
ye bia oh yes yetimi ye debit ma ye bia kofi yetimi ye debit ma ye bia
wow
eti ye luso abato no let me decide say it's a very fortunate unfortunately you lose abano 1 year and officially
to say
we call pension
okay
for 60 years
oh okay
to decide say this 60 years next my call pension officially there and then I was say bitimi ejima home be relax na me jima home now say bitimi relax ejima home ya awodi afim mu nyina no
sabe
kamade and no enemaye but politics here enya dey awko pension e fi say politics it's the way of life
yeah
some people say be ma wo ho no na wo ma na wo hwe wo ma no ade achi a awko krom no akoye adwuma no pesika na de aba na wo de ma o ma no na wo ton tare de ma o mu na wo hwɛ sɛ do mo asetam to be ye ni na politics
of course
in the politics the would make say waja politics enipa ho ade eyo na the omu ni say se e ka politics pa no a se obia no upe nipa da sani eyedi
okay
politics and me san me no but uhemu a yeah the practice no me who say politics politics because in politics sadini tuntu kura o si efufuo fi say so ka say tuntumu a ebia na go against your party
sana munyina na moye
oh sana me can say in politics sana eko
really
which is very bad.
Is it to say so all this while now from MC, from mayor, regional minister, had any tuntuma na mo say
oh yeah me can in general
the general terms but of course who won't be nti na minya the
ekoso nyina so senior politics and because the politics there I was say just bobo nipa na ehwe wo mu nyina yiediem but politics in Ghana if we be winner takes all
okay
didn't was a basa didn't a winner takes all because so we mo Ghana adodode e Ghana nyina no e Ghana for enu ji no se basa ye che adodode e Ghana e wo say e che ma nyina edi say e ka say and party we say they was so enti ono ne party nkofo nkwan and was said to the BID debi
ye betima sense ade
e was ya sesere no a enu na bre bia no e de ani breba na se ye to obama akwa na se wote so a na de ye nto obama no wono wase ameke sure so wono so ye beto obama no no so aba
ye bere na etimi asesa because ye ka mpanimfo a ewo amanyosemu nimde wo my Ghana mu a e boni pa first 10 kra Dr. Sarpong cannot be left out ye bere na etimi asesa
Kofi e betimi asesa sa de we ya ni nyina gina the word discipline
okay
discipline me dey me kwa me dey me who say we are not disciplined enough. And that is the reason why we are not disciplining ourselves. Indiscipline, I catch across baby. Indiscipline, a partisan politics. Indiscipline is everywhere. Share Kofi. Say indiscipline in a friend say politics more. Enka Ubia or one side. A bit more quaternary radio so. No what shall be a winning side at a pass.
She has a penny for one.
And so, what can we mean? A penny for party, Muno.
As a more friend, my bomb, basso.
That is the problem.
And then the wire, dear power,
ship. Any total indiscipline.
I don't know how encourages animal.
Kofi, if you say Babu was it? The way Janu Nani, now I day. I attended it was so.
Yeah.
Now because of politics in tea, we are quada about politics. That's a whole funny day a penny for now because of politics they do so that Arabia. Now would shut political opponents. Any idea? Kofi is a young couple better.
Tell Dr. Moana mo encourage you or more.
Kofi,
Doctor.
Obia Agnipa Bia Obenini Edru 18. With me to Aba. You decided to say, oh, your politics, dear. Yankupo Amana Journey said they won't sub videos. Who are we a penny one more journal?
Okay.
And into the say, oh, yeah, dear. Yes, and yet, there's a penny more and can't show say, yeah. Then no Jesse was say, yeah, now we. But I be a we are so I know. Wow, Tibuan, a bufo.
But Omoba Mutimitian or Mutimitron, I drink so. Say be a dear Muye and Yem because said they all can.
That is the reason I make us say indiscipline every morning because
Mobile and Tebecon behind the scenes.
A friend say, Sebisem Pedro, a Jimism Ebeta, Abu Frakmau, in Tiasuba. So, a few one. That's what we We are not using the cane. We are not using the listen. Fence whip. We are not cracking the whip. What is the reason? Will be here. Would say what the idea way and yet also everybody about to know
Doctor, remember the details of politics. The trend I hear politics is he come. But how you feeling? One at the age of 60 o'clock, you know, as a who decided to call abination better fika graduate home because especially the material can that means in so MP ship now contest you know had a lot of problems ebrel almost than years away politics. Is that the case, sir?
Oh, and no correct
affected financially and health wise. Hey,
financial the
but some wouldn't say you lose.
Was it?
No one so be lose in shares.
Never him say winning.
No one so be winning. Oh, really?
Fi say na me say sebe baby as say ye kan okura pa. Si pobi amana ko bibina as MP ye pobi a sebe baby as o nim de kese a obetimi di impuntu aba ne mpesua so. But we e kokoye say sebe political party we are. Let's say baby as ye the book we put na beto a represent say one represent here e beto aba manifest o support party
obi send the message go vi on some Sarpong Dr. Sarpong workers na ye this so free open the eje see e copy obi akobobo insha so ezi eje nine
oh I say we say e get video
so ko kan ye dey there
e get video and you have to do I was trying to compare.
Okay.
Say, I compare.
Yes.
Maybe pedigree. I was
true.
There's no two ways about it. Yes, you said people say will be a one kind of cry. And we can say, hey, I saw kind of boy. And be a tessa. But say, the immune a good said yes, super at that time. I remember Uncle MP.
Yeah.
With me, I said 7 periods. The pedigree, you know, is over and above me. There's no two ways about it.
And it is true. But the resting the family just a friend enough Abusani Nyamre, Unyamre no Abusian Tenefi because when say regional minister Ashanti you call central. So family no uncle.
Debbie
Unkwana alcohol
Debbie
and later our crown Susaba state housing. Also family no uncle. How was it? So the first 6 months I would tell you and now you were not into politics. You were in opposition.
That is some of the problems are first say and your politics of bet if a juma
okay.
See be away juma. They say oh one why say transfer where do ko hanu. If you are some ready transfer one. Na school ko na e ma kwan to the sense say would ma ka say wu yi
nkwara ni na no na ko.
Into the also I say uko ija wo mo ewo hon na so be friend say ubia say wo mba na say wo bring wo up ya na tembia no there is a need sitting bia no wo mo ebe
yeah
se de bia wo ya de bia akwa na so wo no nka kro na wo ha wani e de
chere no
no jai but tembia no e na akwa say enkora no nyina kogugu oba no so oba no na ho so oye bibia eni ade na wa uzu nimma se de omo efa kwa omo fa so etete enkora
etoda krokro hu
sanete denti se de be ma no a ewo ho no eni njino ya na ama atimi a affect enkora no omo upgrade eni ade but betimi akade ahe yankopon ni monyam se me bef betre fie no de mo hu ane se enkwara no omo afantete pam
ye da nyame ase
omo afantete pam
unu anu ye dodo say
omo ye num
wow that's great
mema nine
hey obama ko ane me yesusia mema biensa
oba na e ka chiri oba no sisi akwa no senye ayi a enka obeko fence university
oh that's great.
We say CDTB ano say bie kwan a obeko
I see
me sa edi animu we de obu nyina wie university
wow
me no edi animu no wo amanode
Okay.
Baako a de otoso miensa no ewa ha. Ena de otoso na no so ono so ewa ha.
Ewa ha. Na che so ba no so ba be ko invest.
Ba no so be ko bi.
Wow. Absan for any Dr. Sarpong na edin kobo. Na sir, at a point in time yetete sanka wo san be pay NDC regional chairmanship nso.
No correct Kofi. Me transe no ma dwene eye me se. NDC akọ position.
Okay.
And I'm maybe drew say I was yes to aba na yi regional constituency chairman and then for executives. Na me carry me ho an with me who say sisi a party no akọ opposition no.
Yeah.
I was say regional chairman. I was saying you be at least ono so no pedigree no e wasoro.
Yeah.
Said the bear the pedigree no bit me a transcend on the party.
Yeah.
Na party no animu etimi
abenyam.
Tina me carry me ho say met me a disage man no. Me do maybe no. Said the one me say the party city here. Na sa ko yatem didi
within your own party.
Eh, yes am getwa. And then no wake away, a channel wake away. There I am a fiddy. A foot will be a buy, I said, Debbie. Said the name is Econo. Honorable, I won't search. Now, share my independent be almost be contest be an open contest. Now you will win no. Won't turn it see. Never be so intimidated. Enko see. I be tears self to you. Emma beti die no. Nipa bienu and the contest here for the regional chairmanship.
Yeah.
Baako e wini. Baako wini ye na me ka che say sisi a wo no be regional chairman. And nti no emu bia wo say the time wachi no.
The better
wachi. Na bibia so wetimi akosu yi. Enti na tem bia na ya na mo hu mi bo na mo hu mi party office. Se party for no ye bibia. No hu mi na me di omo achi. Ni e ko ni e fa. Ni nya no the best me and say esi di pada sani it is borejo say ani eshi trouble wa ya na fence party faithful be one man ye go wayward na so won penin for science for attach a tembia na obi e ko wayward a na watre no aka che se da bi enye politics a ye say say the buyer party no begusu aya kono ama omo a omo enimu kura na omo ete fence so say ni baby a no obetumi aba no mo aba pejon fence party no sisi ya no de meta regional executives na chi na covid de kura so ni say sisi ya no ya take council of elders.
Okay.
Owura Osemensa and the chairman.
Former chairman.
Sanity.
No, Sambe Lands Commission.
Sanity.
Boss. Oh, okay.
Mensu na me vice chairman.
Wonderful.
So we are vice ewa so ayana tebia na akwa say we in charge of operations.
Of course.
Chairman they were chairman. One of you na so. But se bibi koso na say ya. Chairman from
readily should be available. Yeah.
Ndi ye bibia na chairman afre me. Honorable. But
it appears some party no for some reasons imunyanyoy since we new executives the sad news of Binum Kuntokwa or what part of Bim Free Moon as I said there have been several cases I said party no still and Yamamunya is after the rule no play.
Yes, can you know? And as I did we say man also.
Okay.
Bezesi kufi me kan de she nyankopon ni monyam say sisi am no ka say. Nema akofom papa. Nyame ya adom kwa no a. Ekira ma frɛ nipa bi. Sami no mo trase.
I see.
Na ya jojo because emra friends echiwe ehase. Ena me donate nema kakra edema or be fair serial callers.
Okay.
Omo me enkramofo no. Be mo bi kakra.
Atese na some tafro kumkom. Ya uta wo hwe omo.
Say was betimi hwe.
Na wo fie skano so nya ne.
Oh. Sikari say Kofi, say my adwuma di 60 years. Akọ pension. Say anya ya be BGB
kakra ho.
I pension pay. Oh. I don't know that. Busu bia so ye tua beka.
Oh, okay.
Busu bia.
Ti kakra na so do omo.
Di tua beka
afre radio so aye chia Dr. Sarpong kumkom say kumkom agiama.
Kofi sa na wo say ba we say me hu de ntia say me bedu asa we pani e wokuo bim na akoda bi abetu oni say e bia 7 bedu asa wo hia sempo ana takubi no de ai bibi kakra bi ama no ho atumi ato no na ba hwere dim wara ka say me ni bi na ko.
I see.
But my any baby are 7 bedu asa so bi bibi fi me ho ne se menya ama no a na me ho tete me
humo brother for years who dey obi abidi adan say Dr. Sarpong dey humo brother bi omo ene say man for that so ata e be fie.
Oh, ene say
da bia ya sa
me mobile phone e kire wo na bi bie me mobile transfer samaya e che say nyame hu.
I see.
If you say me dey be hu say was it trouble do no gu nsuo ni.
Na chon sabe
kanti sa de we ya abodo ya me tugu nsuo ni na no. Me origin say nyame
Nhyira ne adade nyina na Awurade de ma wo nche. Observe between the voice note aba na why part question bi apesa obisa bi apesa woni Dr. Sarpong Maya Nchasena. There is just an family discussion. Yeten Kache Yenini Dim Komufia, how far party Bibia AC call 0241-831-774. Voice note less than 1 minute. It's a question will be person or the bottom. Now Odia Bread Dr. Sarpong answer will be on the show near body amount. Kukran to me soon 0241-831-774. Voice note don't call or send a voice note now they are fast 0241-831-774. now the voice note abampacho yem free line so enya for calls only voice note 0241-831-774. Yabeboni ya diamao yete na for some time as a one former deputy minister Yamin Namuntembari muho yete ani say wabefi abepacho ma isi ade as there's been reconciliation. Bibisa akoso
enye request obefi abepacho obi ana bi edisa.
Okay.
Na eni ma na akoso o ni ntem nya na akwakoye atesem.
Oh, okay. Atesem.
Ena ensem bi wonu so a. Se me no hoyi. No bi abeka chere me say, "Hey,
Ashanti.
Kofi ekwa do nam so."
Na sabe kwa ya mbi da wanimu. Tama ko center region. There be no some security me kai operation I kwa at point in time for be din kokko. Ntia dey court for here.
And I say, "Oh. But the chair no?"
Yes.
And I say it me
Oh, really?
Oh, yes.
And to when Yamin tell me you're fine.
Very, very cordial. If you buy 3 days, you go men the Kasai.
Oh, really?
Oh, yes. Men the Kasai.
Wow.
Men the Kasai. Now, Yami, my friend, me ba.
Oh, yes, sir. And they're not crying.
A friend me ba. And I tell you, as we men the Kasai, we see Joseph. A friend say, Ubi a catchy. It will be a friend. Joseph Catchy, my friend.
I see.
It me friend. It be a telephone so. Ed is Cassie. And never a whom be here. A party any idea now.
But politician, that's a man for Teddy to a farm for which I'm
Oh, and there, to me and me who's a normal.
But dear Munyamre. Because
Kofi.
As a Dr. Sarpong, manfo didn't touch the you don't take time to look into kakrebi now I offended. When
you offended,
sir.
When you offended, cry. If you say so, Ocean said the BB Suban City. Obi or crowd, Obi to me, I wa DB. No, I expect to say, it be a commemorative act. Baby, who are say the base I wa true no
sure
akoy kra adiam de nyina chi and who me said they was here
because man is coming from for your background as a security person you are always careful about you.
Yes.
And you're careful about you look everything from security.
Sanity.
I mean, you are too serious for your life. And as a man for Jin say and also
COVID say we are so TV say. That's why you're too serious for your life. Ubewu ansa na Yankopo now dem a wono edu.
But security and politics insunsu bebre wo mu.
Kese ekabo.
I see.
You cannot do politics without security.
I see.
You can't do politics without security. Because NDC as a political party said the security guakwamu ye pa. And Kabini said be lose election.
Oh really?
Oh yes.
Mo ye lose or never be.
Oh ye lose.
Wow.
Ye lose. There's a go fi wa kra what we nye enyu ni efima no. Ye ni enyu Canada Japan. Ono atra radio say epi before madwe say ye di kan ye di win the election no. Samo di mo di nchimo a enso course nyina meyo make kan nyina. We were not serious. And ya me ni nso amre ya ha ya ni ye. And the offense say 9 6.
I see.
Besesia de na me ba to offense say kwasi botwe committee no. He said so uko ekun bia ne say udi nkugu a na oba fi a I was with me assess wo na hwe ne de ma pa na ko so a etimi di nkugu. Indeed, it's a Kosibutri committee.
Okay.
I'm going to call the whole country. I'm a Nema Uncle Ye, if he say, and no can be and a my Lucy in Hano. Tintim Nina Ediama part in Penny for.
And in their report, in the Ashanti region, for instance, Manford said Mumubi Kra were part of reasons Abulusi. Why? Because at the time, to Abadona when you're regional minister. But as a Modemunsa Gumochi, must share their responsibilities. One take up any serious leadership role.
And I can say, out of Yanya vigilant. And no me to Cassette, but the Quack will be Obenti and I, you did home for. We are not vigilant. Because Kofi, could you imagine, say, some catch was in the
yes.
Let's say, oh, Jansoa, it was all if you say party for our monobility, vigilant, about one Hama, be answered to me.
Polling agents,
the coffee, polling agents, no. Me to me, I had a problem with them.
Wow, party man.
The new one more. Some men may be new.
Okay.
Party for them, DJ almost
selected polling agents.
But a chair was a dependable worker, and they knew more fence party.
Oh, really?
But they are confident about it. What may you polling agent? The Passano, we say, Sardino, a bus say, the air truck ran. The electro be on and fan.
I see.
And a politics, so my cousin Tim be the idea, can say politics, any other. Security chair said, ye polling agents ni be on one. Other political party, no, it me a tall warm.
Wow.
Oh, yes, it me tall warm.
I'm more compromising.
More compromising. The selection of these polling agents, they will say, yeah, background checks, making sure, say, Nipo, yeah, never be about to where dedicated member of our party. After
a humiliating defeat at Ashanti region, NDC, abysmal one, in fact, the lowest ever a voter, when you're from all angles. But I say, what me put the party together less than a year after election here. To me, I'm surprises be.
Kofi, surprises the ebeba papa.
Ujin sir.
Eba chese. MPP officially MPP win the election no, by 1 million votes.
Yeah.
Officially. And in the electoral commission come in now it was so surprising because government in power. See a two background one. Not margin no. It is a that wide. The sign electoral commission I catch say sign akwakosi. It is a be also. Enti at least you so the name egu akwam say at least I was here see ye hwem kositire na ehu the entire Saturday we see it by because asam no hwehwe aso ye nyini say kabituma possible. Ye hwem no so medical can you said there were some problems somewhere.
I see.
Because Kofi so be kaya emra eguso a ye to bani wi no electoral commission or collate figures in the no. So Bekaya electoral commissioner eba out because say it seems that their machines have been compromised.
Yeah.
Yes. The electoral commissioner more because say it seems that all machines has been compromised. And now also say there was a lot.
For doubted the capabilities of our regional executive team from the chairman, because he want to make in all angles as a effectiveness or form. When I'm penning for a mobile chidom, do you think say you are having equal match? It will give me in the region there.
Kofi, current regional executive see. Meeting metra 7 people and super almost say. They are nobody. I can never do that. Esa Namiana Mario say Kramai medi I drew aso Kramai Namia Masha to be 9 Edia Kramano. Who's it? So they drew so Kramai and so we are very effective so betchy nam say drew no the antidote and it's over 2 now they work.
Okay.
It is all they do so cramai. That's a wow sell 2 now they work now. Do you expect the camera so a bit patch them? But if kakra bit you can say deeper than any ubia when you sing to.
Okay.
But as time goes on, sing to a bed, a babo until they say it be a corrective sing to one. The baby answer there. Because
Canada was a problem with you and your chairman at a point in time. Crowd donation be mentioned. We are here who should donate. Crania that don't crab and say branca mention.
It was lack of communication.
Lack of communication.
But I'm not crying. Some new as a donation. Prisons.
Oh, okay. Okay. I see.
Now when they buy and they say. Nema o mampani dada ede abase yemfa nko ahemfie unse obo o mampani dada voice no so o kan ne se enema ekoso a enye eni se aba we se no nema wo che ne ade nya no o ede politics it no mampani dada no beso ono so ebe follow sad no by giving it to
the party
executive so okay fanko no frame me same nkonko yes ade no but entiase antimi anya adwuma nti me ma me ho kwan e ma regional chairman no e presentation no
okay
oye presentation ni wie no ye kwatena ase analysis situation ni na ba say no there was lack of communication
okay
internet I was say the besa baby no I was saying na hunu e kwa betimi dey afa so nti or the woman penny the name I buy and rap ma me ni no e koe esa koye presentation
I see
ma kama bibia ama
pinche bia nsibiem I'm for Dr. Sam was Sarpong e wo fie ha yɛne ne di nkɔmmɔ, very leading, a staunch member and a leading member of the NDC in Ashanti region, former regional minister, former mayor. Mamu pese hu Kumasi, look at Kumasi, said the name Siko. We have a lot of assessment. Bra TC team we near Timiantre from where he sits, said the name Siko. But wait me the voice note Abreme on this line 0241 831-774 0241-831-774. Now I are part of the discussion. COVID.
Before say COVID bebano. Uze na woka bibi wo compare won to me and regional chairman yade. Obia ne star.
Okay.
Nana kwesi edadi.
Okay.
Won to me onadi. In the first education if be introverts and then extroverts. We will be our kind of fast for any
Nhyira
FM. They meet me like I said, one me no. A quite will be a fast for any man. Very, very effective.
I see.
Very, very effective. But yeah, NDC for one day. As my I catch say and penny for and now I'll mudi any other day. I can't say party politics. Sabi producer and yatim didi.
Okay.
Party politics and yatim didi. He said, so did he ubi atemwa and I would depend ubi atemwa. Anyway, the kaka. I say, a friend say, I was say, dear D. Am I impending for any other? Say the bear, we are quada, wuna a bear tentene, I was as so. They say, out of politics, it didn't be a quata, and friends, a radio so, TV so, that would deepen for Tamwa. It's not the best, Kofi. When you say beer, may two Eddie man will be an abiatis. Kofi, Usenasia won't be a BA station.
Yeah.
Now, before so be a station, no. Or the a kunni pa and a advert. A kunni to say what took a horse. Yeni president. President
Akufo-Addo.
Vice president.
Yeah.
And a one or the advert. So we will be a radio and TV stations. It will be in tune the radio one fan to one. Let's see a BS station, you know. Now could tune what a friend say,
or video to
one. Now the Obertian say, oh, my penny, your mamma. Sabi, Nyansa in the tree. Oh, my penny, your mamma, you say. Oh, my penny, your mamma, you say.
I want the radios.
Oh, the radios.
Sir.
Oh, yes.
I want a cancer.
Oh, more. Senor, no crying a car. Oh, more call radios, no. I don't know what I said. Omo, yeah, no, Omo Kuchi, but Kofi says, "I may know way." Some better radio, so that's a me super and Kofa. Do you think will you allow me?
Not at all.
Yes,
not at all.
You would never allow me. The way the host or no host will allow Nipa more better. Face radio, so a super and penny for any other, which is very, very bad because. Say they wouldn't penny for couldn't advert any adam. Would you attach station, you know? And you will be a bass over Cabibia with station will be and 7 billions. I was a similar a mood drew, a similar a dim puntuba, a similar a di abojo ebeba, a similar a dim puntu, a similar became a dear abomu. Bessa, my dear. Now, penifona would do more advert. That semi pedes will go more. I see. It can be to be bit my kind of say. Politics of insult should be a thing of the past.
Politics of insult should be a thing of the past. I see. What if you can crash you Kumasi? COVID buy-ins were assessing. Yeah, let me tell you to the region. Sadi Mpenimfo we have from the regional minister, from mayors, SCB, ne. See at your time they need to Kumasi.
Yeah.
Now you're different municipals within the greater Kumasi, and nka wapenso anka me fan say bia wona ye regional minister and asa wona we mayor. Sadi you see handle the fight against COVID in the region at the same.
Kufmila CP. COVID ababeto yen government na famudi bia maybe the kakra between can say there is more room for improvement. There is more room for improvement. They say Kofi sesi ayeti ayi seja eso hanmo a ede bubu na kofa nsuo ede begu janum say when intention is say udu jano
yeah
na say wodi nsuo egu janum wodi egu janum na say rather no ejano dere mo a Kofi na say wo assess wo ka say I need to be doing no enso intimi num
yeah
ejani mo bebe so ebia na ejano wotra home ejano esoi
okay
eso kese pa ansa na obadi ensu na odi gumu no intimi ya na hwe Kofi so be kaya emre bi dui enchere kra na mpanifo a omo health mu nimdie kase also mampani etimi atoto borders mu ten because area no see no so many countries so I do Africa han you said aba ewam enti o se etumu ntem said be ya omo obi nya no ebe ka kire na se wo ba mu kura no a at least ye be access on make sure say wo obi ana se woni bi ansa na mo awuram wo obi a na ye do akọ quarantine na fe ye de wo apendo e de ama said be ya yare ni intimate spread be Kofi that very tab no ene be ye inhiemu kase ewo Asante memu anu aye 6 match
ukobi
mankobi
adey
mankobi fi se na mi se sa 6 match no edoyo ne kase ene bebre
azabene ni ye kire se obi okọ 6 match ni bi no enya yare ni bi
oh debi se ne yare de se ne nyina ni no health for akache no virus virus no se virus ni bi obi na se odo sa hoka na ayo senso se obi obi hono na se wode ade akata na no enya de a ebetimi otimi a transmit sa ade no ena de to so bi okura no a eno no e ma no ye very very critical de se immune system no very very high ya na pempie no wutimi kutia sa yare no any ade
okay
bibi ti say tuberculosis say ye nyina tie ebe to ba say ye nyina akra ye obi
okay
but essence immune system no e wo so nti no tebia na immune system no e suppress sa de no to understand say etimi mabonten say yare no kwa no obi but no wo ma abonten no enjeze woni bi enu na eba na so dangerous say wutimi transmitted the ma obi a e fa say the immune system no e wo form and the no ebenya effect e wo do so enti na wo say president etimi di nima gu akwa mu tentem kra say ye di nima e kata ya no ye wuru ye nsa maybe be ko bia sanitize ye nsa any ade na wo say sani mo say na timba tentem kra
no, but there have been several messages on reservation about Chemaun to me radio station. Man for years, Uti Kruma na Mashe Mugabe of I think a radio station one crying. Honestly, di na na don't call for them. And we na mo yawe so mon kan. So why are you taking a serious offense with
the radio station one crying? Me Mugabe ni say asantimo mayente.
Oh, okay.
I know who they mention.
Okay.
Hey.
Okay.
This will do be atamo anya de amemete no.
And to the one thing.
Santimamu ha de.
Okay.
Say won't me station e was Santimamu ha.
I see. I see.
Na me de mesremwara. Mumfa me eme atwa pia. Me afutuo na me de. Afutuo na de.
Why be pa because omso we nya atwom. Sa woti kumase na Mugabe ne Kevin Taylor no mudi akofo ado atem. Won kan hwintu omfo wotu bi bia radio no achi ya.
Kofi. Udumi obumi pa.
Oh, I know. He's a very humble guy, so we shall know.
Obumi papa.
Na
chezo o mo me di kra o mo friend da.
I see.
Na bin share time bia nso a afutuo eko binia politics there se me pedu say ye e de pemputu e ma nyina na ya na ye kasa e fie no ba no ya na ya mana kofom kakra.
I see.
Se de be ya enkunkutie obi a o de tibia me ni hia.
Alex Frimpong say I like him as humble as he is, but honestly, you are in a wrong party. And the opposite party, and Obro wants a bad was say, "Oh, wrong party."
Oh, that be because of a wrong party.
Anyway, now you share assessment of COVID-19. Said the regime we see fighting, and I will my example of Ija, you didn't you guso na inum now all related to advice by na Ashanti region the baby 6 match near their day.
Yeah, Kufisma Makase. The omo you know what may be a ban here do it, and there's no two ways about it. Well, share a name health for no idea go aquamua. It means say a name a coso. But the minute the dynamic can say, yeah. Now was a ye shall see them. Ye shall see them more. And who says, see, I say, I didn't go do over 4,000. More than 4,000, yes. Terrible. Sanity. Ke shall see them more. Kamini said, Sabri, if I could do 4,000. Free so as mayor, regional minister, what for office order? KB. Any of them, either regional RCC and
oh, my call RCC, my call 2 times. A brand now, why was he? Oh, I did a fancy. Osemensa. Sam Osemensa. Ah, Osemensa, what is that? Oh, I see. I see. Oh, that's great. Oh, yes. Now, one money input. Oh, the jeep. It just opening with the but issue. Oh, no, because it's just a unified. Oh, yes. It's a very wonderful. Now, a course I never want more. A course I do meet me for telephone friends. Oh, maybe I did say. We this year commit me. Oh, many penny. Okay, what can I matter? You who quite bet me at their fashion. I see. I've been calling him. I see. I've been calling him. May Tibia Macassa look. Politics should not divide us in any way. Politics, I just say, what's a I believe so. Or no, they one can say you are in a wrong party. Government for say you are a good man, but you are in a wrong party. So, you're matured to say, on Casa. 210 cases recorded positive Ashanti region. As we speak, you are 2 children's world war confirmation. Robert suggests there's been several calls man for Kase Ebeya sorry for starting sorry schools and call from where you sit for your security and everything. Robert say yim Kofi ye bi mu kra na me fi se enkwadi mu kakra. Okay. Because the day American say no edini magu akwam se ba se eno say me hwe me WhatsApp so me hu enema aban no suggest ama fence asofo no asensan se basi bi asori kwama e kwa emfa so emfa nkwa asori kwa nipa wasam si behave ne say the sanitarians any ade bi sisi ho mo nsa na fe nipa na betete entem se ni ade ni nyina ade a ye di gu akwa mu ansa na ye bie Sandema we say, but the Kaka between a can say, it is a pepper and who can say, hey, I was a beer in time we say, be a man quadim kakra at least. None of my idea could have come. Hini, we there near beer. Beginning to say, Ariano, Ebecoso, aspect the Ewo Quembiaso. But they say, Andy, to be very honest, do Nema health the officials no idea go come there. I think say it should be a thing say I don't know air rise and kwa say we say the graph is be e kwa could do the picker na statistics about from Kwambiaso Kumasi Krodue mu wahwe so as a mayor o say be so e onenu nkita wo dey saying oh o say be we minua I see o say be e minua ni nua o minua kire say
me papa ba
okay
penny
okay
ofri
offense kwan so na
enyo offense ewo he ya kwabre area ya
okay
hono fi
I see
ono no relate asibe indi se bibi nua penny relate asibe dia se asibe nso ye bi nua ana wo de be che no
sure
aha edu ono no se no kwa no makohorum on several occasions
I see
enna kotrase akasa edi nkomo ende ma mi hu so ono se wono tie akonya no so enzo mi tie akire ne ma mi hu am fi se ade a militate against one administration ade nya no be ka e de chene se o say we ni say we say we fese ye say o se bra mate e hu kwa bet bi da fa so ma bibia so atimi eno ena kire se be pedia sa obi e yo man papa ye fa point is nkate ni ni enye niema emfantia yonko e wo kwabias because I don't know dey o say won dey talk yan so so ya niema na sa anko yi a enyo ono kwa be the party kwa be affect to affect everybody. It is all input bi a ebetu ya ma niema timi akoyie ama ya abrabo timi akoyie e so de ma no na bibia so timi koyie
Kumasi Central Market kejetia all time o start ya do baby na u di free so from where you sit okase baby anya covid anka ho nsem bebre sabre aba sai na osi hu Kumasi dwa fofora yisi
Kumasi dwa fofora de kofi say win say me na me shase I mean there is no two ways about it. Me buy Kumasi came no me buy about 1 week in a Central Market eja etrum tabre kwa na me ye course e wajimpa baby say free hot e buy back me buy na chese dwan e fa I dey ashi baby buy no so no me who say on record no na di pa bi aba be make suggestions as to a kwa person faso na EDC FS Central Market.
I see on records
on record it was on record.
Oh I see not just that been from Mampani that for administration e be na another been approach as to how IBCSC Central Market.
Now there was one contractor on who decided say okope offense Bosia $100 million.
Okay.
No they have started say you man into me buy and me says so I shall say the any was a bit wachi it an a chia koya what in there we shall see echna was debi se kasi transia train wa market ni nya de bc in the trans be advertise you advertise here na sa contractor
Brazilian contractors
omo input buy say they will be in a position to put up say you know inti omo aye started your due diligence ba ye ko omo honmo Brazil baby a omo aye adwuma osisi adan akese hotels ni ba ye ko hwe say ampa or that capability no so with my say you know and yeah approve the man say okay na we do nya na e was say aban enso etimi eba mu because se sika bi ebeba e was say aban no e na di adanse se ana wodi agiramu ansa na nsa aka se sika no e ho na e na ma aban no etimi eba mu nti eguso aye ho adwuma e na me bi di fi ho no
I see
nti kojoba aye no e no no so eto aso Emma Parliament approve bibia na ombeshe body na say
our sovereign guarantee
now joy is name be everything was in place
I see
na me ka de henya me animu nyam say enye no nko a na kodwo ebeto ye before say kodwo ba no so no market yi a wo efense atonsu na no so aya hu de menyina wie aba edisika edibesie ni ade nyina no so abeto efutuo bi ti say
asomase
eno so sa bi ti say tafo eno so sa na Kofi there has been a very the wrong impression bia and the Muamu station and a story no
okay
and the Krofo market
okay
Krofo market no maybe buy no na ya pay contractors no ama ya ma contractors no mobilization fund I also want to be kokoshasie but actual land I was here demo mu ekosi edanisi so ne emfa land na ma
how possible
send a Krofo market
ya ma contractors mobilization fund but ne omunya asase
they didn't have access to the land because now market
no land no but na omunya access
because na nipa edaso ewo edidwa wo hono it be buy no am say I say we say and be free contact and say I na mo ko no so say nipa da so so na be no akọ then we just book me na mo dey soldier for na police for e na kum ko so na mo dey land ma nti ye di say dwuma no e de ma omo and omo ko asase so now very the problem na I want to say any share the other interest can be e o ministry of finance nti contractors no eko so no
but the mobilization fund omunya no
abana de ma omo
but ne yen shede ni sika
da
after mobilization omo dey to aso
enti abana no enti omo ye adwuma no a omo ye duru bi a no mo e certificates no aba ne the certificate na akokoma abai na abai etu eka na kakra omo de ekuduru face this be say be kakra because na sika ensheda enna gonti no so we certificate ne ye de konkra it take years
ansa no monsa
enna ma akosoma adne edile ebe kodwo so ba ye no igi se omo contractors no esa akoso as one time Nhyira ko adu kodwo ye de say sika eje fi abawu na ene dia ene so ko no ko hunu bank bi na bank bi edi sika a bit bi dia wie no eba ye di wie a na ye de ma ye de ma nkofo a na chese wo no sika o betua no ye de akwakutua bank no eka Kofi kodwo e hyase a wo yes sa negotiation na na ono so mbe bi du ya odi ifi hanu afi de sa tosu bio anwaga eno so me betu be ba ya no na o mampani akofo wasi sa wood village e de ama anwaga foi se omu no entu nko ho na obutu ko hono mo a na enu be ma access to construct that road. It was a problem. Owo ye ya omo ntimi entu amraga for no kuzi se me buy aso amraga for no ka che me say na ye sabi ye NDC for omo pani MPP ni ono MPP ni ko ntimi entu ye NDC ni na who be between na was say ye do mu fa entity kwa bi so no mu hunu here say on be den on betu e de akọ amraga no take some time maybe do a positive na soja phone na akra babu ansana me kan se maybe me ni puku menu ona na oye regional minister e ba say e be kasa e de akire omo me na bi ka kasa e kasa wi de puku menu so e be gina ono so kasa afedi ehu ya say abo fifi be eh dey be ka e gwan fi hono
I say
yes it was very hectic but eventually it will convince you omo Emma the machines SSA wo machines ni na e ko amroga ene ma ekwa ma it me e construct fence sa bypass
being regional minister ene
na bibia ho no bibia ho
being regional minister ne mayor de he na o ka say a good position obeka say kene ye de ma obi banka abeji regional minister na mayor
if anybody what you want to say unko anymore na you say though to be a mayor it's a very very prestigious
prestigious
oh yes
than minister
oh yes oh yes
prestigious in terms of
very yeah na mayor no me to because Israel now I officially informed the government say mayor of Kumasi neighbor if it's Israel
wow
because do Israel Tarmax no so the car be family
oh really
na ya dey be family a me call omo ministry omo a very big ministry no be free come be see from no na omo flags no ya no half max
okay
me drew on mo me gina flag no ma omo eto nyom bo omo offense national anthem and omo raise flag no e course
oh wow
and say na me wura e hon you omo say as a mayor no you are down to earth with the people see any development
start from the assemblies
yes started from the assembly it omo ni mayor ho agrokra.
But man for Bekasa, you did well as mayor. But stores be bro, we see you've been the cause of many problems. Ashanti Kumasi metropolis. For instance, Okwasa for intelligence store ya na anu nke ya buya nadmone fobi buni
Kofi
ene sunya ya blame say Sarpong.
Yeah me Kofi
e so na tonton
David oh me fi ha no me fi na ba ibi ene ho na store bi ene ho
okay
me fi ho na store bi ene ho na say ho no ye nya say I quite remember say me ho no nipa bi ye won adwe say omo say omo de omo to asase no efi ayi ho railways ejo mo ba
this year time there ye nsini wo time but man for say who create no matter first oh ye buy na nipa no release and is a zoom say bia una at your time
railways and really came a malis
no I'm talking about building permits let me use that word please here in fear building permit
yeah my building permit so won ko so who could say my building permit
I see
Iba building permit. That was a wrong idea. And go for some of our business stores.
I hear some of business.
So, besides that, store bay store. No. Show. Sadly, we say a chance. No one crying.
Yes.
I'm say a derby. Kojubu to tell you derby.
Yeah.
Any other. That impression that I got, they say maybe time and no more a chance. Yes. Which wasn't true. It be my UTV ground
okay.
Maybe Korea
and Sana. Wow.
Who's a Tembiano? Say when there is a gap between governance, gap no a better honor. There will be will be any no man's idea.
But sometimes Gaban Shadam Daho, you through the local regional minister, and I'm a one.
And some call regional minister,
and they don't quite a Kojubun Subai.
And you call a Kakran Sana
Kojubun Suba. Okay, until you assume that period, Naman for take advantage, technocrat, no take advantage. I think voice note Kakraba, Yen Shesi bit me about Kakra for Yen Dr. Sarpong in the seat. Now you are a political discussions with me. The voice note brain was 0241 831 774 0241 831 7474 na no okay yen take this off na yen voice note kakra.
Good morning. Albert ni we me sani fitly. The patron person bisa Dr. Sarpong mama say politics of insult na all kano. Then na o ye afa sami jemfi ho ene obi ti se mo gabi mo ene Kevin Taylor ya oti social media odidi atemi. I think say omo hwe ho no so enka na omo ye omo die ya MPP for so ebe omo die because
Kofi ogawole ne me dodo nkawe me mo abaso na de me pese me kan se Kofi ye mo ura Sarpong abaso said the NDC serial callers and if also just need be near no come a bona bass no timus a papano no one the dear no one and I didn't mind did you did my business will be also NDC serial callers and for soldiers and so I could be a party a woman there. You come back up a woman a lawyer Justin Codio apart from one obedient hobium. So before for penny be said me watch me yale me say yale me pese we say a couture fees ni one coffee or bien who be bow. O friend no na bo o friend no on fa na necessary mo sapon edisi for bonabaso aye monabaso bi ne kanche ze jirazo MPD enya de ze NDC betime de bi da obi obetime de aye Steven Amoa sticker.
Good morning Ashanti. Wodi bo abaso pa dwumadi odibu ama Ashanti mine Ghana man nyina puntu na papa o te won mo no abobra ye janasi pa janasi na me question here Ashanti ubejeri say yisi adwuma ye no 2019 exhibition boso from district into e kaw
Brago fi me chawo no atifo ye frame George Opokwamponsa e din dada na onim na anope ma menchia me ofa Dr. Samuel Sarpong Brago fi ye titi ye odwaben de ye nim papa na ho brase ene ni nyamesuro na de ankoya ne baby ono kodi ye fi se dwaben de nyina nim senka adubu ayinti bibi ne editwa e fruma nanso ne nyina mu no ye de beche ne fi se wate anim baby a oya amanyosem kodue ni se de wahwe ne ho so yi amaye no waye nkranhye ama ye ntitru mabuna ye ba no enti mechia no pa na emom kai ne ma me se 2020 de ye penaya kotu penalty anya ye je na ono ane kan asem.
Uncle Kofi, good morning. Mechia umo jumapa. Mechia honorable. Nyo samwa kande de pa na me pese me ka sem bichiro NDC. Omo na mo ha ko position because omo de DJ pa me kai 2008 dwabe so wotumi yi wani mo dwabe so we NDC ni pa bra na ede na so ye house to house campaign ko dwabe nkurase afi wi ase na mo bo pa no Mr. Brahma Money Solomon mutwa eja e ko mu fiu Mr. Brahma di mani so de me oboa me prison service desin de forms na dem to 29 kwa me yi mani se me nye campaign mo bi o me full so NDC supporter pa me feel no mo po me school fees kwa that time no me entry we na DSS.
Okay, good morning. Mechia doctor pa Efreme Herbert Daisy or Chronom. Chia doctor man was a radisha on na papa ya o ye ne ni din for fire the atono so kom na yami kupon so shira wone o panels ne o producers ne mo am o steady ro nyina yami shira.
Papa, good morning. I'm Kwame Seswa Dija. Lujana from the B. My mention this from Obosom training na menchia me papa honorable Dr. Samuel Sarpong, Dr. Kumkom. Ofa assembly na wakano. The penny papa won him dear power Ashanti region ha. Untimi nyu na bosa Samuel Sarpong. FM film. 2016 election lusu yi. Akọ region ha. Boas appointee Ashanti region ha. Many this campaign for to make a for Swiss. Lucia vote to be at the MPP for. Let me send said you my power dima and this for Ashanti region on Tonkoson on board you must and Yamasubakano.
Hello, Kofi. Good morning. It's out here for you now. But your friend Jima because I feel it. But only me say honorable asem na oka na o position tin oka sa say si atem di o politics mo because empire na no sama no you know abay mo no obi ko ka asem di obi atem oba ebe ka say di pa ko asem na oka na wan kan ye the serial call so mo an mo musika da biya so mo ko ya na ko di atem da biya so mba mo musika mo ko ese wo fu aso lese no opposition na beka se asema o mukane ananya na se mene nya adwe.
Hello Kofi Ashanti, good morning. Kache Dr. Sarpong se pese de okasa e pa senga politicians ni ehia na komai ke onbejo onko so anye sa.
Kofi, good morning. I'm in so let me Kofi my voice is free Italy na mdeba. Ya chao nabo. Na sapa me kacho nabo ni se. Emla o kase okujina MP wo isha so na adwendwene na ne pressure kosoro. Ni nyina ye loose no be loose no. Eno ho adwendwene no adwendwene. And scanner and party for no so pleasure no more on Bajiska no to so be loose into so spend this kind of more or she the assembly no so it has an internet I margin jene after to no so and sugar cost run and pleasure cost run the best as I mean she has it in the air man in tempted no attempt here she
all of banana player Michelle serious in you when she has a no honorable Yankupon Shawati. Ye tiopa no wakasa ye wakasa ya twa ya kuma so papa and this for say Yankupon Shira Ashanti say Yankupon Shira na adoya wo ye no Yankupon mo ahoden pa honorable obedi Ashanti legend minister no amu Ashanti fa bro wo de punto pa no de bra Ashanti man.
Good morning, Kofi Ashanti. I lead on Council Kofi Ashanti. Kofi Ashanti. Another one mama filo program now no power pa. Papa now, or the never now. And now, mama me have a trust in you more because Odi are the papa and bar and then you say a party for Tawani winning na yena yen jasa na mani na yen kabom na yeba the way ya Sarpong etime kuta party no Ashanti region anka yen lose sa election anka also regional minister na came boss at that time na ebe election no we were sure say endis anka yen lose election but you couple to me etime co opposition what's the no abane there we were sure say inshallah that's not the power.
Hello, brother. Good morning.
Yo, Brakofi, good morning. Your friend Paul, make us a free Techiman. Honorable dear, managing a hopper, I'm a mentor, Cassiapana. Tamana me Ashanti region, me na me Charlie Honum, and me free. Na me person me meeting pa Tamano ye minister ni adi na but manya kwanya ni any na meeting ni adi oya me mentor pa me pena sem papa. Nti asemo kafa politics ho ni adi nyina adi no kre.
Kofi Ashanti where you better was it. I say once na unifi kurano 7 periods or proper in some and the DC for no ascend ye aye crocodile the John why ya kuma swade ka krebia my nemum the choice of nipa de neba no na ye dey feel say nidi mu pa nidi ni de mado kasa for me tiare bebre nemum nenka yehia obi anka obekọ politics msene wa mwache politics kom efri beye bosume ba akuni ndie nenka wo senka wo mane o hye kakra eba na ono nso bitutu niam agum kakra obeka se ye busabu adi kan se abusuasem na ne beka isi akura wo ye kwa na mama attesti ze yi kababia one na ma ode kono wode statistics bi na ka eba sa statistics nso de nenka ibia ka bekwa atia aban ne kakra ho ara wo hye na adwene kusi o sa tibe ya wode ni ade Kofi Ashanti ni ye tie no nim de kakra ti Adaruma ye de we ye Igwoko de John kakra but ye be fa no sa ye de wase
Kofi, good morning. Make us free Amsterdam friend to me. And Doctor Medin ho ya pa. Tama ye 6 months now I cry na kasafa ho ya le ya bayo. Oh no this is 3 years. Mani follow kola no agenda no. Sana lo alote Jacob koka yen na omoge no. Propaganda ye pa nye politics bi mu. sisi Ghana Kumasi Krana yale no ho nipa ko omonye bi ko mundu 200 ehone ye 6 match no omonye bi ko mundu 200 Accra ya nye 6 match number 2000 plus ana na mo NDC for mo timi face parties ana de bia mo pese mo ye propaganda na papa 60 years we betra wa se ba okani me de nyame jam ko bye
doctor anyway, share a few concerns about voice notes. A few questions. I don't know. Say which might pick some of them. Let's just say you are being hypocrite.
What about
yes, gentlemen. What they your Kansas here is what they to Ashanti region and then crying. Yeah, yes, it's much on crying, but I'm 3,000. Kumase I'm 210. We can't see say because of say a year 6 match ewo Kumase nti na
confusion okay man ka say man sisidua say because a year 6 match.
Okay.
But the American say senka yetimi eklusu e de niema bebe egu akomu earlier.
Okay.
Enka sadi we say yetimi rise enko that. Yes. And it is a fact.
It's a fact.
It's a fact.
I see. But in all, we're looking at the politics of the whole thing. Manfo Jidi say a bread do say ni kwanse yare no ye the politics. Input bena mo amu opposition mo Jidi say o na ban ye de na mo de mo so mo ye de aboa. In terms of education, in terms of PPs, because more benefited from me, test or minus benefited from more, and one should not be your party members through Kumkom, government, hospitals, donations. What may be? Because our party for no one through Kumkom.
Yeah, ye be papa.
Okay.
Nadina Kujina is a flag bearer.
Okay.
As of now, near Ma, a flag bearer. What media come various institutions, like the chieftaincy institutions, health institutions, and even to understand they say, I don't know, it me call to even individuals.
I see.
So when in number few irrespective you say oh ha na so ha one enye ho no de ohwe onu physically di niema egu bag mu ubi opra oso say jisane mai na niema a present what say through some of us and through others no Kofi meet me quantify as of now a dos papa to understand they say edu rebe no na imini samobaka say adentina omampani dada ebeche niema onfamre wo mu na wo mu no enche no omampani si da bi yare na aba no enye politics ni e na enye ade a sembeduasa aka ebi vonko a anasa aka ndisi fora e o mamu ni ya na aka e edi se aba no eye bibia e wo se who are winning about no so no who so make effort and not just say politics na way and be etisa so say idea o mabani etiwa onye bibia ko bi enka sanse bo senti if so mabani moa dada moa wode aba no enough.
I see. Me were about 3 last questions to ask you now. You be a phone line. There, wrap up the discussion. One, Yatete say Peke was a running mate for NDC, John Dramani Mahama. Eba will be some so what it be? And I'll ask you this question. Mekoba na baby sound because me misao I want to ambush you. May I wish you on that. Then we'll look at a few things about the region here because you want Ashanti region.
Before so, but me no can say Kofi. Ba me ba no say me buza.
It's a question about yourself. And the question beyond it's within your domain. And you I want to be answer. It's very simple crime. And a few things are beshena the state housing department and so me question kakra o hode ma because I'm always interested in the housing aspect of my Ghana because me drive over RCC now fenshi ayeso ko si Santason ba na wo hwe nsase e deda ho na abadwuma efonya ba bi ntia na ye bisa say what is the usefulness of state housing ayo ho no all this one day because me say no mu bi na mu DCC various estates Bukrum estate ne Central so that are different government and is that a champon then now yeah but state housing and the idea na me abadwuma for money baby krate e dan we have snake for kwa na abegia house affordable housing is your mobile beto so the role of the state housing as in this current generation yenya e dan na moye
Kofi Midasipi Kofi state housing ya na wo hu no kane no if you come from time no abisi sambion enye state entisa kane no
moye de
kwambiaso sisi ya no na kame de me madwen ya me say when you talk of state housing I said the kwame kuma no sisi aban e discover ebre wo mo
yes
momo di sisi adan
and by fort
there's hard in HI
okay
now by emphasis can maybe Kofi could you imagine say it drew me because state housing was on diversity
okay
we were not banning essence abandoning fiscal
was totally neglected
it was neglected
I see
my banning as well tongue and did you now state housing was at a point in time living on its past glory. Because now Adaya state house is CC demand go for Abuti Timuni Adeno and the Koba say Sanity the state house and a fence
hot one
now on fine and share a fence and workers.
Wow.
It wasn't the best. But maybe because state house it said in the Mika Yan Sanity state house in intermediate I bet at a point in time no yeah the nima egu akwamu because na ankofo adan crop disimu na omutua even rent kra
okay
it is kind na was a bus state housing ema yedi bi tua workers ka na de be ka no so no yedi bi etoa edbi adwo bi aye so no na entimi ba but we kokoto a very good at the first say management and then board members the nima egu akwamu at a point in time no next kana shasia eba inti emre do me just about 1 year basically 2 months per one emre do say me ba no na state housing etimi started put up a very big estate ewo me na kra ya na be ye fi omudi no ene ade eno no estate a ewo mu daba kubia no estate bia no emu adama kumako 8
okay
eno yetimi eputu up about 6 of them okay. 6 no what the time say 8 just ubenya be
you have a lot of them
yes eno no sadi we say na ye wie and afi so metimi be sanso asi nema itimi because we call state house no na at a point in time there was a problem.
Okay.
Now be at the court say 1 year ABC adan na was say the nchebu no ye fa kwa ABC amfa sa kwa so no dey court nti dey court no court no buka about almost $3 million dollars.
Wow. Ana mututua
na was say me kwa na me control sa aka no.
Okay.
There was a pakwa before so be before some baron near to $1 million out of a Tokyo 2 near a rent apart from no a estate be a cra it may be some who say in between the estates no na and say edited them
okay
and you know that was say yeah bonifree be infilling it means see STB education na eno so yede ma amanfo eno no before me beba no 1.5 years we did you know yet me SC maku base 50
I see
because maybe ko any be rebe so the application be go on say ye pedan ato
na me so ko ye adwuma nko won kran wa nya bi okumase
o say
because state as I said that the kubai ko trans 1 year and half year utimi si dan bi okumase amaye because 6,000 so more office so ha
so it depends on almost adwuma no almost so year and half how so almost so is adan
okay
I quite remember say State Housing estate bi kra wo wokọ Abuakwa now baby
office housing Abuakwa housing
yes
Abuakwa housing
sanity no man so kase bi e ba ho ma me kra me office no obi e de court
okay
ma they will see about 1.5 million Ghana cedis no no do ko fa aposi for ne first a bailey for by say so we come for ne entimi antu ade a ene bus Accra ne abesisa
money menina
sorry ade ya we ko eno so no nyame shadow ne metumi atoto vehicles we say Prado pickups any ade or na no mo de oboni si so say o ma be fa na me say da bi it trauma side we say it me nti me free kuma se for ma on buy my trase kan ma ETS kan ba o ma mo e do ma ho ene so they were also doing a lot so called no for they were also doing a lot so far as building any day
mama na me homra sisia na yenwie the last batch of the questions na fe yenko yeti for 0322083581 0322083582 na why part of the discussion with me bisa question Dr. Sarpong is in the seat na bibia peso bisa no wetimi bisa electricity company of Ghana say omo ye plan maintenance na nyame ya domo a Sunday 10th of May anopa nundu ekosi awia donko areas bi te say Ghana Water of office e woswame ITTU Mazi part of Mazi Adwato Kropo ampaba me ohwim amanfrum bantama area bi te say kegitia nyankyere ne ase sofo like kwada sunsuom offenso achiase barakese himan amoman barakese ene ne mpotamu nyina no omo bedum nkanea o hawe de bebe bia monfa enche wo mo anopei otimi akọ organize wo huye but mamin kanchro say Ratri Park omo ye aduane de wetemu akosi anajo ansana ya sorry ne saso nti ena wie ya wonko baabie bobodi ne tu anamon na wetimi nso afa ho social distance and observe hoson nti baabia Ratri Park anopei e mamunyina achi workers ho medame ho aba na ye ne Dr. Sarpong wie nkomo
Number 1 Akan radio station in Nhyira 104.5 FM at the most educative radio sports show at the Abramo free Ejuada Ekosi Memeda na Ejuada Ekosi Fiada anopa bia ebono nsia pa husima aduana Ekosi nonso a yato ne din Premier Sports sanso ene ewia yetena se biem anopa nonkono ebo pa husima aduana Ekosi ewia dumienu anoso yato ne din Power Sports na fe no miensa Ekosi no 9 eno so yato ne din Playoff na ye de Memeda de no so e de asomo so don hwere miensa ena Memeda bia yetena se free anopa nonkono Ekosi ewia dumienu jumade ho chiame
nsam no de nyina ne abo no aye de eba ejumade de bright kan kambodu
kwabena obe afie OB twice
happen under Jose this can't happen under Carlo this can't happen under Pep
Bismarck also bempa Ayala
the motive of Ghana football any the bigger interest and say ball here bebo
Christian Edu say
what he say on the premise in also just the boss question that is on kobi yes
amana nsam no eba no Andy Casillas
Real Madrid against FC Barcelona
and na Najman Bomodia said the bia o Mrs. program way na the global show
Abiwa news na mitie
asem wo ho na se me dia sam nam police ni bia kwaji obeyire asa bo be ma na guso hey adai eya bin wa ha
soko
Abewa ha eye ewiase musam ene obra ensama hodo a ebaso no ene enya abote twetwa ne nkakra ede bro.
Eno ti hia ye me da bia ebra dumienu abob ere kwapem se dumienu bebo apan mu.
Ensama wo bete no ebi areho
akramani gina me ba no ho eta feeling moja. Na me ai na mkache mama sema kramani na kumi ba no.
Ebi so asere
na omema wo stars ahodo de bi. She
Bajai.
Sa stars dey pa na no de ma what him says. What ya mo we feel pa.
This is me continue.
Abe Soko.
Abiwa news na mitie.
Asem wo ho.
Me se me di asam nam. Police ni bia kwaji obeyire asa bobema na guso. Hey!
Adai.
Eya Abiwa ha.
Soko.
Abiwa ha eye ewiase musam ene obra ensama hodo a ebaso no. Ene enya abote twetwa ne nkakra ede bro.
Eno ti hia ye me da bia ebra dumienu abob ere kwapem se dumienu bebo apan mu.
Ensama wo bete no ebi areho
akramani gina me ba no ho eta feeling moja. Na me ai na mkache mama sema kramani na kumi ba no.
Ebi so asere
na omema wo stars ahodo de bi. She
Bajai.
Sa stars dey pa na no de ma what him says. What ya mo we feel pa.
This is me continue.
Abe Soko. Ensama ekosu kumase no yan kan ya yeti ko ka obi dia koyi munse be we soldier force ye discipline no banga for na ma soldier force specific koyi munse
Anas the nyansa kromo no dey pop Ghana nyina
koyi munse.
You can engage in all the propaganda you want, but if the fundamentals are weak, the exchange rate will expose you.
Koyi munse
Dr. Baumia was wa reviewing economics boost nyina mene edi nso api so on the economy management obi afono John Mahama na umuno no ono ne time na city no etishine na inflation senior delegate for almost how many marks
koyi munse
Ghana for say na abey abana absorb through NACO it's not over 100,000 and give such a government 4%. That is hypocrisy.
Koyi munse
and I'm sounding a warning to the MPP. We're going to match them boot for boot.
Abosoba na meja paye entishia mosomfo eduana ba Kofi Asante anopano num enefa ekosi nonkron semeduana ba pa ho eduada ekosi yawada na efiada papa nyameke nso betena dwem ebre kro na koyi munse.
I ask you to be citizens, not spectators.
And now koyi munse koyi munse
Ensama ekosu kumase no yan kan ya yeti ko ka obi dia
koyi munse
be we soldier force ye discipline no banga for na ma soldier force specific
koyi munse
Anas the nyansa kromo no dey pop Ghana nyina
koyi munse.
You can engage in all the propaganda you want, but if the fundamentals are weak, the exchange rate will expose you.
Koyi munse
Dr. Baumia was wa reviewing economics boost nyina mene edi nso api so on the economy management obi afono John Mahama na umuno no ono ne time na city no etishine na inflation senior delegate for almost how many marks
koyi munse
Ghana for say na abey abana absorb through NACO it's not over 100,000 and give such a government 4%. That is hypocrisy.
Koyi munse
And I'm sounding a warning to the MPP. We're going to match them boot for boot.
Abosoba na meja paye entishia mosomfo eduana ba Kofi Asante anopano num enefa ekosi nonkron semeduana ba pa ho eduada ekosi yawada na efiada papa nyameke nso betena dwem ebre kro na koyi munse.
I ask you to be citizens, not spectators.
And now koyi munse koyi munse
Ensama ekosu kumase no yan kan ya yeti ko ka obi dia
koyi munse
be we soldier force ye discipline no banga for na ma soldier force specific
koyi munse
Anas the nyansa kromo no dey pop Ghana nyina
koyi munse.
You can engage in all the propaganda you want, but if the fundamentals are weak, the exchange rate will expose you.
Koyi munse
Dr. Baumia was wa reviewing economics boost nyina mene edi nso api so on the economy management obi afono John Mahama na umuno no ono ne time na city no etishine na inflation senior delegate for almost how many marks
koyi munse
Ghana for say na
Abana absorbing through NACO. It's not over 100,000 and you give such a government 4%. That is hypocrisy.
And I'm sounding a warning to the MPP. We're going to match them boot for boot.
Abosubane meja paye entishia mosumfo eduana ba Kofi Asante anopano num enefa ekosi nonkron semeduana ba pa ho eduada ekosi yawada.
Kukran to me, who bakashri, mini jai, na kukura, won to me. Check Kukran to me, Nhyira 104.5 FM. Meme dano pabia. Kofi Asante Kukran to me. Ayasika nufanu. Ahacha. Share Kukran to me. Who bakashri, mini jai, na kukura, won to me.
Right, 47 minutes past 8, live on Nhyira 104.5 FM. Dr. Sarpong, is it the attitude? Say, oh, we now be running mate for John Dramani Mahama. Officially, what do you come here?
Kofi Bidasibe, mente.
Hey, one day,
mente da.
Obianka Henson Chile.
The Obianka Bibian Chile.
This is serious.
Obianka Bibian Chile.
I want to say, man, for cancer. Dr. Sarpong running mate, Dr. Sarpong running mate.
Oh, but this amount for Kaka, but me feed the right sauce. So, Ubi Adrian Walker. Ubi Adrian to the President John Wama, or one or that prerogative.
Okay.
It not on this or no met be a feed one. The amount for Kaka Yami Fancy a artisan.
I see.
A friend say food of Yada.
But who be happy to be running mate at the party?
Kofi, as a question you will be something there. The side there who or the cat now could see because and you're happy. And that there will be a top of Gora or the top of Gora in the banners of Metran or the about the she's a
I see. But I mean, say you are in the party. Say
Kofi, to be very honest with you, it will be an honor.
It will be an honor.
It will be an honor.
Oh, I see.
You beat me a car.
My bit must was a bedding. MP Krana now Usura Tim Didi. Nara Vice Presidential candidate. I mean, that's a very serious thing.
Kofi, we yes be America say ya can be actually in America system. Okay. So if you Dr. Baumia a managing vice president's office now. Maybe to me the fees is not the best.
Oh really?
It's not the best because as I remember one ma or Baba on Tebeka a Chinese who says sounds okay and you know credit I say the a cam kakrebi alabeto office one.
Oh you think so?
Oh yes. Indeed, I mean, they bet me I can say, so my penny be vice president, when penny na be vice president, when you vice president, obey very, very truthful to the people of Ghana. Na conquer politics as usual.
But Rebecca say you are having a deputy governor for Bank of Ghana as a vice president. I mean, Wama NDC a very, very tough time since or Kasabia na muhompo or Kasabia NDC for and I just say, bear 1 week the amount nakra. It is such a person, nobody can match him.
When you talk of governance, Bitmark say, Yana mostly a few answer.
Oh, really?
Oh, yes. If you answer, so be as a did the peculiar any man as a govern. That's one for if you answer, no, touch ya. Say the bear, you be understood a conform down to earth. You always be having problems.
And you think they will be to me fit in that position?
Oh, Kofi, no,
and man for say from the word go, you are too soft for vice president. Matching Dr. Baumia. Say Basse, You should be mentioned that. You tell you won't mean fix it. Or the ratings, the statistics, the data, every guha. Obviously, woman in am quanche ho baby.
Eye to go. Who say baby o mbani ko fo kan bibi. O say one who say so share for the bada.
Share okay. Share for the.
It's share for the pa. It's you for the pa.
I see.
It's you the for the pa. That aspect because I don't want to be misconstrued. To me, say, oh, some of the radio say, he be as vice president. No.
Okay.
So we be decided we say so okay and can say some of say benka bi
obia mudi obia no ni nkomo and you think say anyway say why Kumasi mayor that we have a few minutes to wrap up the discussion. Watch with the writer the way Tiana your bakubo wachi. Good. We are streaming live into on our TV. So anyway, now why a mayor? Why a regional minister? Central region. Mount Ufriho Bana Akoyusu Amanipa Bebre. You did your best over there. So what Tanasi now for Utuka for Kumasi Krudium. Combining the regional minister and mayor. Because a dear night me DJ Kumasi. As a winnie who I because Sarpong pa breso. When with me both mayor and regional minister. Kumasi.
Kofi me ba Kumasi. Edi be 2 years. And I may yes, Sabukui.
Okay.
And only a friend say achievement.
Just 2 years
just
into your administration.
Now here, just a unprecedented.
Oh, I see.
KB.
I see.
Baby. Oh. Local health sector. Local education. Almost all the sectors came in making sure say baby came will make an impact. Baby na media sedaka see be ma woman me koto omon like the technocrats and then the assemblymen. Now it all depends on how I govern the place.
Therefore, more who came or more building, we streaming the view videos and at the time of Dr. Sarpong.
How I govern the place. Because Kofi, also they were making us say politics in this certain politics I was here cable politics I was said I didn't put you at the brain. Now fortunately for me, when I was appointed as a mayor of Kumasi, at that time, no, Mr. Say Professor Atamils offered me a concrete. No, it's a Sarpong. You've been appointed as a mayor of Kumasi, not the mayor of NDC.
Yeah.
The place should be devoid of partisan politics. Kaumuna boom. Now we 2 years are the way out. Puntu a bit me akoso on. The buy no so me yes uba came who say we were NDC we PP be any Kofi Swenya no po man one any ade enyina kabomu. And I made sure say obi a we assemblyman bia so awo no whole time before so bokono also to me do such bibi project bi say maybe time as an assemblyman some project we say need me
I see.
And it happened.
Master Kofi Senya also didn't share share the amount.
Oh,
the tough Kofi Senya.
Kofi
as a presiding member will be about the amount.
Kofi dey no way no yeah.
Okay.
Now I said do obomi chidom dey bet. I do ho ye na say onu fi say emfa komo. Onya do no betra won.
I see.
Obeka just dabi. Ade we dey assembly emra no. Enya dey famu dey ma kwa ma onye. And he will insist. No. A boy me ma meet me the right thing. Because so why the right thing na so ufi on kwa na say
So on more Facebook page, you get a better feel of the assembly discussion. Dr. Sarpong, your video kakrabia, ye preview the OK's 70th anniversary and few other projects. Of course, we need away Facebook page in 104.5 FM. I see.
Okay, so the equal and person become one. If we buy, now okay, school, no, a month for fast has almost 2/3 of his as in a month for 5 is so die. Yeah, the one in they did it, which is more in your printy, and my neighbor pa a by a day, a soldier for near pussy for a coy. Emma, Dan one a big school no pan, dear, to be very honest with you. You didn't know to go.
I see.
And yes, say, Omo Enyo, young to war, and found any MP at that time. I no Minister of Finance. So MP never said,
Ministry of Finance. Ashanti region.
Minister of Finance. President Kofo time.
Akoto. Yeah, okay. I Akoto say yeah.
Koto say
Tafu Pankro
no. Or also a big issue so no the common fund. A build a net. You know it was in a say wall a far. And you say but you remember na man for you try
net
inside. But the NLC form a big issue say school na say there they are fun. Friends, they are funny. They are funny.
But this is a list project. You list many of them. But I still want to know among all projects are here. And then now you say Dr. Samosapo Kumasi for the Kayo. Now I would TV.
Kumasi for the back kame. And the congestion is answer.
Okay.
Between sustaining ya kuisa medical equal.
I see.
Who's a do maybe no? Now I can't say Kumasi no. Who said na me can be say yana buhayana there is a gap.
Yeah.
Say you ya a chance
and you do before Fraba.
Now ma Patricia if you want mono check a can sana me ba. It me ba na say omo a good streets boy turn near man.
Nanyina sanjegu.
Agi yo. But I make sure say any a 24 be kasa. No bia auto nema o street bia no wako first ejum akoton sa.
I'm for few callers now in wrap up discussion 0322083581 0322083582 observe the story awie ya as okofa o lunch o breakfast supper bibia ewo the Rotary Park both local and continental dishes in an ebi ho pacho kwata baby ma obi mehomingu so ho park no so baby ultimate na we enjoy nti bibia da na kwamu Rotary Park the catering department ni obi a wo nyina good afternoon and good morning so because we beba hunti ma menko na yemfa college kakra wo misra mo anka mo the voice note abane de ma mo sam free bi na yintimi engage wana ontimi emfa 0322083581 0322083582. Hello, good morning. Hello. Okay. 0322083581 0322083582. Young father, next caller. Hello, good morning. Hello. I think so. Hello. Call us into member.
Madawoma, if I'm a junior Baumia, Manso, and Tokum de Shekonkron. Na Memo, Dr. Samuel Sarpong Abaso, Ninsima Wakano, a ye. Na dear mam pay Kakra, ye say, Okase, to me a radio station or the titri and the stati, a ye advert, but would dear tem. Meanwhile, also no. Nkofo bebre wo NDC momudi atema menti say yin Samuel Sarpong eno makasa so no makasa so de ne enti na wo hwese ne ya oka asa no che no say munti Mugabe ne on nkrofo sameje mfimu no wo say omode mo wa krend wonte enti untumi de de no te enti mesre say ma wonyanya atwom na onfa obia ensema enye no so kandia won NDC onfa mfu NDC.
Okay. Mamin cause lines no I go through. Hello, good morning.
Hello, good morning, Kofi.
Yeah, when you?
Kofi Central Market, and I'm the grand pay.
Okay. I just want to
Kofi, my main for Kenya Kasi, so now, my Dr. Samuel Sarpong, a papa. My young man, Mention Pa, Wakanyina. Kofi, dear Papa Yakanyina, no, Kofi, Lucrative. Kofi, I will share, said Dr. Sarpong. We share in a brass, any positions are one who do no many more, said the old boy, any na. Kofi and key comes to market to every crowd, Dr. Sarpong, and who that, Kofi, I will share a more brow, Woma, Elipa. Kofi, in Pono, Samra, where you came a boss, Kofi, any iron, so I wouldn't know, Juma, you feel that. MPP for a number for MPP for Dr. Support, and someone Sumuna, so Kofi, when you say where you may party, where you may party, and you could be Dr. Support, say a casa, you come and once a month, Kofi and Cardia Betchin.
Okay, Medasian Father Nescola. Hello, good morning.
Kofi?
Yeah, Minia.
Kofi, I want for Razak in the Kofi.
Razak, my mint you.
Hey, Kofi. That's why I did. I mean, sure, why?
I told you more.
Hey, Kofi. That's it. Yeah, boy, oh, Doctor, ba. You know what I say.
Yeah, go of your quachichiromu. Onya kwaya de the neighbor. As we get them, we'll bring them.
Kofi, I just don't really say that they do any problem. Yeah. It's for Monday call. Or the MDC starts. You started full politics. Because I was a Corona. They said, "Yeah, I have to know how much I could do 4,000." It's the other politics in the uncle. Kofi Papa also Doctor Sawasapo. You know what about so far? They say. Me say Okasa move besides what they say. This is consider college this year. Or what about so Kumukom. Doctor that's a pa Kumukom pa. That's a pa. Nhyira. Kofi was on the player that I say.
Okay. And Father Nescola. Hello. Good morning.
Good morning, Kofi. Idris ni
aminti
meda sipa mfo konya simu abaso ntia onavo amokamela wa asukwa na obata ba force level obata west kaka mekanize Kofi e papa doctor okumkom onavo sama support wa fanso bola betimai oti asia Kofi kanye papa ya ya shama santere ha lockdown ya baye Kofi anka yewu Mr. Wabua kwa chain even your president out there kunyaso Kofi adenti make asa Kasa Santre ya chairman, regional chairman na question executive jumadi omubo na president omuchi ebo womu na party ma lockdown ya baye omu make sure say omu bombo dia say bi obia benya kaka na dia sakoya no president duane o change na obia nya bi was ready hazi so into the can say papa ya bona ba some o to kan nyina na dem to do Modi obone de yankopo ntunu kwa na bibi oye nisika fribia no ya menshera na mu
Medasi am Father Nescola. Hello, good morning.
Yana ba Kofi Ashanti.
Yeah, Minia. Hey, look man.
Aye.
Na ayi for na nya o masa. O be ye dey.
He for na nya o masa.
NDC for na nya o masa. Chief of staff MPP be. Yes.
Na yewura samosa for ti hono masa. Mi bi sia no masa be to level na nkofo kase okum masa nya kwawo
okum obi akom
me see to level say nko kumi ko masa nkasa be gwa kamenti afi
I see
me papa no masa ma me mo na baso na adanse a obi edi fa ne ho no aduana ba ade ba ko aminim papa wi ene say to hia we MPP ni we NDC ni papa we woni saade no wo hwe obi enu nti omo ye okum konkum no me na nya me nwanwa enti yewura samosapon no kure ni de wo ka nyina no ewom turo na kakra bi ade o de bebe twa to ai ana ye fe baomia de wo ye no de no ho an mesra wa ho de wi me pato ka ta yewura samosapon te ho no woni ho mfiri wan kasa ai ho nko ade wan kasa na ho nko ade na bia na ba eneso mesa de wasibim so we say ya na ndisi for no mo boss mo na wode yewura samosa for buy we say do mo say president ndisi for yewura samosa for mesra wa lockdown man to nka mo me ba fie me ba je me die I say ni ho president dey wa buy na ba o position okay go ba mi fa
na mo achala pe na mka chen yakubo nhyira
ma meti
umi akọ cosman dem ka free so ma lo du Mr. Doctor Richard and Consul so am kasefre ala be mo abaso fa ne ga Nyankopɔ insha na mentia so nso so a chan jabian pia de ne ba na pe baso a kuma wo ju si maintain na Dr. UFI jate na adiana ba Dr. Sabata for the babo na baso se de na mi lo kuma kan san se ore kama ni opposition kan no ho e fa na ya tam to lo ni MPP ni adi that dem do free ko fia o come scandi si quality sano malugu no so na ya sam kijo na papa ni nyam obi a nyam chira
ene wa bemba ye on world position ntemu so mo hwe no
na adiana ba ye nyakwa ke be sa ko na ja ra sa ti be ya na ya ko nya se ti ni tim ko sa se obi a ni yamu ye na o nde ni mu so obi a wo ke ni pe ni aba no won na e ka se Yakubu Sana Subale Kutano no Okutano sa no finance no babu
anda. We're wrapping up the discussion here, Brennan. So hello, good morning.
Hey, Yakubu.
Yeah, one of the last caller when he
Lechu cat mabo so che.
Kafra. Ogo vi mamintiu.
Yo mama ka was black coffee. Mr. Sarpong and this is Nhyira college me ya Lukman ko kwaso mo mi na bona baswa. Ne kwaso no ya se no ye fam de bia enko de bia. Sebi o pake good dan ma na wo se masi dan nkran dan abloche dan na wo wa ede na wo ye le mo bo kaka wo be ye no enu ka ti bo kwan ma wo na Yakopon ti bia ho mo bo nti se wo ye a ne kwa so no jasi ko bia so onu so on sha na mo sa se de o ye no Yakopon sha o mo nyina obi an hia bi because okay.
But I'll say, we're wrapping up the discussion. But Nameka Ratri Park restaurant, Royal Restaurant, and America. Bepacho, you were fried rice or chili rice, finger foods, jollof rice, and all the local dishes. Fufu, ampesi, mutu, banku, tilapia. If on pizza, what one casa ubetimi uzampa? What the pizza? Or swimming pool, bibia, ebema, wenya. Free a won kofa ho twitwi manfo ye wode nyame offset golden tulip Mr. ubetimi a friend why order na ye dia bro 0244 560 0244 560 1438 0244 560 1438 na one eye Ratri Park Royal Restaurant etimi so akasa Dr. Samuel up on the next 1 minute your sorry akọ dia na be kan twato
kakra me de beti aka ne se the medical kana Ghana ma baako
okay
no because say one nation one people with one destiny that is the reason sa ya de ba ye nyina ya de se de bi ya de ye nyina na aka ye de nyina ye nka bom na ehwe kwan a bitimi ayi ade ye fi hono na ya de be hwa asa ede nka bom bi kura na abre
and that is true
nti ye so san ka bom na ye ma partisan politics entity entem e wo kwan bi ase eso e kwa be for so politics no e na kire se be nipa ko a Ghana for ye nyina ye nka bom na nya baako na abatu odu so a de fi se ye tuma no a ye hu beto ye no ye nto emfama no na Ghana so enkoso eniye mechia mejere fe mechia memba fe mechia party mpenimfo Franco Semensa na nakwasi ene Nhyira college ejawusu nom ene ade misro mechia omu nyina me do mu so ase ene MPP for Nhyira college so omu so friends so me do mu ase e wo compliment a omu ede amame na me koso se nyame a ya adumu a
kakra ho edi
kakra ho yesa kakra ho nyame be ya adum ye beto mi se bia no bisu ni be boa abomu so
Nhyira I think say for years obi abodin e wo wadoye bejiri se no kan ho na akrokra wa abedu de wadu me nyai because sabe nipa bebre empire rade be fa so na wo so ayi Nhyira enti anope be da wase unye de nti enya se ya na ja
me pesa de hiu no
producer quick one to God be the glory quick one now we're wrapping up the discussion Dr. Samuel Sarpong ebusafo motin and cancer yenino ewie cremusem Kukrentumi Jumedi na Bidi de Aduana Bakofi Asante. We've had a very, very, very extensive discussion if you have, and indeed Yetimi are discussing almost all the issues needed to be discussed. Dr. Sarpong better was Bidi de Aduana Bakofi Asante. Bernard Kusiapia produced the show Sports Team for Nebraska, and they May 9th, and then on 2011, and then they 2001, Mr. Mo 2001, and Kumasi Sante Kotoko. And Accra House of Folk, Oyini Librichi Bo, my Ghana. But sports team in the Beba, no the details, and what Timia, and oh my Ghana, what we are doing to prevent it, and so be a test idea, bro. Doctor, I'm grateful. Bibidi Ebesaton Safro. But I pray, Sam, you are a vice presidential. No, you see, Mekaisa, I interviewed a Kofado 2008 or so. Now I'm a presidential candidate. And the second time I'm interviewing Mekaisa, is I praise the I'm interviewing him. Now I'm a president. And it came to pass. And this is about the third time I'm interviewing. I believe that the next time I'm interviewing, now I'm interview a vice presidential candidate. And Yamon Pai, because I said the baby ni wo hono e bemwa on ani beje na o wetimi nso abafikasi mo mu bi a omunko hoda se ne ka ma yenso ye ofa wa fra bruchna ba Dr. Nhyira ye bi hia e chebusuafo ni nyina